What's up, YouTube? So today's video is going to be a really quick one. I went ahead and played around with my window deflectors, the window visors on my car. They were my old car's window visors, so I noticed that they started kind of fading out, like it was turning like purplish color. I didn't like that, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to order new ones just for that. So I went ahead and ordered the Avery carbon fiber, the black carbon fiber vinyl. Here's just a snip clip of how I did it. I just did one for now, and I'm trying to decide if I like it or not. I might just end up doing all 4 visors. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.